Hey everyone, so we're doing a review video of the Poly-Fil, and I wanted to show you guys, I don't know if it's going to be for everyone. I don't know if the packaging is going to be the same for everyone, but for us, it didn't come in the packaging, which is fine. But this is what the 20 pounds would look like of the Poly-Fil Premium. It just came in this generic big box. And let's go ahead and open it up just to make sure it is the same Poly-Fil Premium, because we've gotten other bags that came, small bags, 32 ounce that came, and it was the same stuff. So let's just make sure here. So yeah, it seems to be about the same stuff. So this is what it looks like. Works great for do-it-yourself projects.